Hi friends, so today we will learn how to install Laravel on XAMPP or wamp server on localhost. Okay, so first step is to download the composer from this URL. Okay, and then install. Okay, so let's go to this URL, paste it, and then go to click on download. Okay, and after that click on this one, download and run composer setup.exe, this file. Okay, so for that you just need to download it and just click on it, and it will be downloaded, and then double click on it. Okay, and then click this option or whatever. If you want to opt for the second one, go for it. I will go for the first one, and then click on yes. Okay, click on this checkbox. Okay, so here I need to change the path to my XAMPP path. Okay, remember to change this path to XAMPP path because the composer should be in that folder. Okay, and then XAMPP. Okay, XAMPP, and then after that htdocs. Okay, and then I have created a folder there, Laravel. Okay, so this is the path where I will install this composer. Okay, so if you have if you want to install the composer on wamp, then just put your wamp path here. So concept is same. Okay, and remember to install the composer on the same path where you want to install the Laravel. Remember this one. Okay, steps are very easy. Click on next, and then from here choose your path where your php.exe file is. So in my case it is in D drive, this one, php.exe, and then click on next. Okay, and then what is say, for you specify did not run correctly, the program cannot start with the DLL was not from Mixware, install the appropriate visual info, run the more information. Okay, so let's go back and choose a different one. Okay, so let's see if this one wamp 624 would work or not. Let's see this one. Let's go to XAMPP once again, and then let's search for the PHP one. For this one, will that work? Let's see. This one works. So you just need to do this. Okay, and then click on install. Okay. So this will install composer in this path. Okay guys, we are done with the installation of composer. Let's go to the folder where we have installed the composer. This is the folder XAMPP htdocs Laravel, and here I have installed the composer. Okay guys, so next step is very simple. Next step, you need to write this command. Okay, so for that you need to open the cmd. Okay, and then change this path to the path where you want to install the Laravel. More importantly, where you have installed the composer. Okay, so drive, and then cd, and then XAMPP, and then htdocs, and then Laravel. Okay, so we are done, and then after that just copy this one, composer. Okay, this one, and then this will create a project there, name as Maya. Okay, under this directory under Laravel. So let's move and see it's create. Yeah, Maya. So Maya folder is created, and here you see the Laravel application folder, and then the public folder where we have the CSS and images, and app where we used to have the controller. Like here under HTTP we used to have the controllers. Okay, and under the models we used to have the models. Okay, so so this one is installing everything. Okay, we just need to wait for few more minutes or second, whatever. It will be clear in some time. Okay, so just be with me and wait for a while. we install the Laravel package under the my app folder. Okay, so steps are very simple. We don't need to make it more complicated. First, if you want to install Laravel on XAMPP or wamp under the localhost, first you need to download the composer from this URL and need to install it manually. Okay, and you need to remember one thing, that you need to install the composer under the path where you want to install the Laravel. Don't install it somewhere else and you want to install Laravel somewhere in a different location. So both the composer and Laravel installation paths will be the same. And make it more simple, install it under the XAMPP htdocs and the folder where you want to install. Okay, make the folder where you want to install. The same thing you can do it in wamp. Okay, and then open command prompt. Okay, for your easy conversion, I am writing here open cmd. Okay, and then type this one. Okay, composer, and my app is the folder name where the Laravel package will be installed. Okay, and after that everything is done, like the whole package is installed, then we will do this one. So we are just waiting for it to complete, and then we will run this one. Okay, just be with me meanwhile it gets completed. Okay, so meanwhile let's check the Laravel folder structure. Here you see env variable, env folder, and then this is the routes folder where we define all these routes. Under this wave.php file we define the routes, and this is the app folder, and this is the resources where we used to have the views. Okay, here we have welcome.blade, so just open it to see what exactly it has. It has HTML, okay, which is set as the welcome page. Okay, let's see how much it is done. It is done approximately 80%, and it is showing that 62 packages suggestions were added by new dependencies. Okay, so we are just completing this, just few more seconds. Okay, so we are done with the installation of Laravel package. Okay, so after that we need to type this artisan and then server. Okay, so you will get, okay, there is some mistake maybe I have done, so it's serve, not server, so it's my mistake. Okay, could not open the file artisan. XAMPP htdocs Laravel PHP. Okay, I think it should be under the my app, cd my app, where we already have the Laravel installed. Okay, and then we will have artisan serve. Yeah, so it will give you a URL. Just press Ctrl C to stop the server. Okay, that's when we check it. Okay, just copy it. Okay, and then go to here. Okay, so this once and click here. And guys, so we are done with the installation of Laravel, and this is showing this HTML. Okay, for your confirmation, let's do some changes here. Let's do here test welcome page, your first installation. Oh guys, we will have it shown here. Okay, yeah, here. So this is the confirmation that it is fetching face from this HTML. Okay guys, so if you have any question, you can ask me and I will be answering your question as soon as possible. And please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos on PHP or on Python or any interesting programming topics. Thank you for being with me, and please stay tuned, and please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.